In this video, I will go over the quiz regarding implicit differentiation twice. So let's take, we're going to take implicit differentiation twice. So quiz, it says find d squared dy dx squared in terms of x and y. That just means implicit differentiation twice. So first, we're going to find the first implicit differentiation. So what is the derivative of y squared in respect to x? It's 2y, and then you have to add that dy dx. What is the derivative of 4x in respect to x? It's just 4 dx over dx. So the dx cancels, so you're left with 2y dy dx equals to 4. Then you solve for dy dx by dividing both sides by 2y. This cancels, so you're left with dy dx equals 2. 4 divided by 2y is 2y. I mean, no, it's not. It's 4 divided by 2, that's 2. So you put the 2 on the top, and then on the bottom, that y does not go away. Okay. Then what you're going to do is find, you're going to take the derivative of 2 over y again. So this is not the answer. I just want to box it because I'm going to have to substitute dy dx later on. So what is, how do you take the derivative of 2 over y? So quotient rule, right? So f is 2. You know what? We can also write, it's not going to be too bad because you don't have to use the quotient rule. How can you write 2 over y as a decimal? It would, as a radical exponent, it would be expressed as 2y to the -1, right? So how do you take the derivative of this? Simple. You apply power rule, right? So you could say d square y over dx squared equals 2. So apply a power rule. So -1 times 2 is -2 y, and then -1 minus 1 is -2. And then you have to add that dy dx. Okay, clean this up. So it's -2. Y to the -2 could be written as 1 over y squared. And then you can replace dy dx with 2 over y. Okay, so your final answer is going to be d squared y over dx squared equals to -4 over y cubed. That is your final answer. Okay, so go ahead and press pause to write down the work. And that's pretty much it for this video.